Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my wonderful students. Welcome back to our subject English class 7. Today we'll see part 2 of chapter 7 subject verb agreement. In previous video we have seen that according to subject we have to use main verb. We have seen 12 rules for this, that if your subject is a singular you have to use singular verb. If there is the word like each one, everybody, everyone, either, neither, nobody, many, this type of words are, so you have to use singular verb. After we have seen that if there is a collective noun, so that time also you have to use singular verb. When there is a word or number of, so with these you have to use plural verb, and when there is a word like the number of, that time you have to use singular verb. With our number of, plural verb. With the number of, singular verb. When there is a phrases like which indicate like amount of money, time and distance, so that time you have to write singular verb though they are in a plural form, like 100 rupees, 500 rupees is the amount of money, though rupees will come, but here singular verb will come. Then we have seen that there is a word like scissors, trousers. These things are in a pair, so that time you have to use plural verb because they have two parts, so that time you have to use plural verbs. So students, we have seen this all rules 12 rules we have seen in previous video. Today we'll see some more rules related subject verb agreement. Now look at here, compound subject rules. Compound subject rules. A compound subject is made up of two or more nouns or pronouns. Here are a few rules related to compound subjects. Now, the rules related compound subject. And what is compound subject? Compound subject is made up of two or more nouns or pronouns. So here not only one noun, like we have seen yesterday that Ramesh is a funny boy. Here is the name of one boy, Ramesh. But here you will get more nouns, means Ramesh, Meena, Mahesh together. And pronoun also more than one. So here are a few rules related to compound subjects. So let's see today some more rules related compound subject. In previous video, we have seen that the subject is also one. Maybe it's a plural or singular. But here, in a compound subject, the subjects are two or more. So look at first rule number 13. When a compound subject has two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and, use the plural verb. Now look at here, when a compound subject has two or more nouns or pronouns and which is joined by and or any other words, that time you have to use plural verb. Sunita, Hafiz and Chetna are going to the circus. Now look at here, Sunita, Hafiz and Chetna means three persons. So that's why the three is showing plural form of subject. That's why here verb also will come in a plural form, are. So it's known as compound subject, which is joined by word and. Let's go to the film since both you and I like the heroine. So here both you and I like the heroine. You and I, look at here, is a compound subject pronoun. You and I is a pronoun. Is a compound pronoun, more than one pronoun. So like will come, not likes. Likes showing singular verb and like here plural verb. So you and I is joined by and word. It's a compound pronouns. That's why here like will come plural verb. Now let's move to rule number 14. When a compound subject has two or more singular nouns joined by or, neither nor, either or, etc., use the singular verb. Now another things, when your compound subject has two or more singular nouns and which is joined by or, either or, neither nor, etc., use the singular verb. Now look at here. His sister or he is telling a lie. His sister or he is telling a lie. So that time we have to use singular verb. Or he is will come. Because his sister or he means दोनों में से एक telling lie, speaking lie. So that's why we have to put a singular verb. Either his friends or Mukesh goes to the party. दोनों में से एक. That's why here singular verb will come goes. Neither Prakash nor his mother was present at the ceremony. Means both are absent in a ceremony. So for these you have to use singular verb was. Neither Prakash nor his mother was present at the ceremony. So in rule number 13 we have seen that when there is a compound subject has two or more nouns or pronouns, we have to use plural verb. But if there is a compound subject two or more with a singular noun and joined with the or, neither nor, either or, that time you have to use singular verb. Now let's move to rule number 15. When a compound subject has a singular as well as a plural noun. Earlier we have seen that when compound subject has singular nouns and joined by neither nor, either or the word or. And when this compound subject has plural nouns and joined by and, that time we have to use singular verb. And when compound subject has a plural nouns joined by and, that time plural verb. But here look at different one, that the singular as well as plural noun joined by or, nor, the verb has to agree with the subject that is nearer the word in this sentence. This is called the rule of proximity. Because earlier we have seen neither nor, either or, and or word. That time we have to use singular verb. But here if the subject is in a plural form which is nearer to the verb, remember these words very carefully. Nearer the verb, the subject which is nearer to verb. So you have to see that subject which is near to the verb. You have to take in your mind that subject which is near to verb. And according to that subject, you have to use verb. Clear, students? Now look at the example. The children or their mother has the key to the bungalow. Now look at here. The children is also noun. It's a plural noun. Their mother. Mother is a singular noun. Has the key. Now look at here. Has is showing singular verb. Means the has is shown the nearer noun. Nearer subject. Which is nearer to has, mother. So according to mother, has will come. So don't look at the children, that the children is a plural form of noun, plural form. But here you have to see the nearer noun, nearer subject, and here nearer subject is mother. So according to mother, has will come, singular verb. Now look at the next. Neither the mother nor her children have the key to the bungalow. Now look at here. Neither the mother is a singular subject. Children is a plural subject. Mother is a singular subject. Children is a plural subject. Now, plural subject, that's why have, plural verb will come have. So clear, student? Which subject is near to verb? Which subject? According to that nearer subject, we have to use verb. Though there is a plural also and singular noun also. But which noun is near to verb? According to that, we have to use verb. So here, the noun children is near. That's why children is a plural. So we have to use have, plural verb. So students, in compound subject, we have learned 3 rules. First one, that when there is a more than one noun or pronoun, more than 2 or more than 3 noun or pronouns there, which is joined by and, that time we have to use plural verb. Then in next rule we have seen that there is a 2 or more singular nouns which is joined by neither nor, either or the word or. So you have to use singular verb. And in this rule, rule number 15, we have seen that if your subject is a singular or plural noun which is joined by or nor, but that time you have to take care of that which noun is nearer to you. If plural noun nearer to you, then you have to use plural verb. And if singular noun is nearer to that, so we have to use singular verb. Now let's move to the exercise so you can understand easily, you can get easily. Underline the correct verb form in the following sentences. Neither my sisters nor I, in a bracket, were disappointed at the turn of events. Now look at here. Neither nor. So which rule? Rule number 14. Neither my sisters nor I. So according to I, we have to use so was will come. Nor I was disappointed at the turn of events. Now look at next one. Ria, Sia and Mia. Now I hope that while watching these 3 names, you can easily understand that here rule number 13 will come. What's the rule number 13? When more than 2 nouns joined by and, so we have to use plural verb. What's the plural verb here? Go, not goes. Goes is a singular verb. To the playground every day. Now look at third one. Neither Suraj nor his friend dash like or likes loud music. Now look at here. Neither Suraj nor his friend. Now Here rule number 15. What's the near? Friend. Friend is a singular noun. So that's why here singular verb likes will come. Now look at fourth number. They dash nothing to help those in need. Now they is a plural noun. So what will come? Plural verb. Here plural verb is do. They do nothing to help those in need. Now look at fifth one. Neither the priest nor the congregation has or have a clue. So here this word congregation is a singular. So that's why singular verb will come. So has will come. Now look at the sixth one. Neither the driver nor the passengers escape or escapes unhurt in the story. Neither the driver is a singular. The passengers showing plural subject. So which is near? Passenger. So passengers are in a plural, so verb also will come in a plural form, escape. Usually, the senior teachers or the vice principal announces the names of the winners. Usually, the senior teachers in a plural form. The vice principal showing singular subject. So, the vice principal singular subject, so nearer singular verb will come. So what will come here? Announces. Singular verb is announces the names of the winners. Now look at number 8. Not many people dash respond or response to advertisement. Many people. People is showing plural subject. So plural verb will come respond to advertisements. Rafiq and Zoya dances very gracefully. Rafiq and Zoya is a two subject joined by and. So plural subject, so plural verb dance. That couple has or have never learned how to swim. That couple is a, you can say the couple means two person, but here use the word for two person, one word couple. So that's why it is singular, and that's why singular verb will come has never learned how to swim. Either of the two is or are going to the party. Either of the two. दोनों में से एक. So that's why is will come. Here you have to use rule number 14. Either or, neither nor. Now look at 12.1. Neither his parents nor he dash in Mumbai anymore. Here rule number 15 will come. Neither his parents showing plural form, but he is showing singular subject. So with singular subject, the nearest subject is singular. That's why the verb also will come singular, lives. Lives in Mumbai anymore. So students, complete this exercise, which is at page number 74. And if you have any doubts to understand this, then write in comment box. In the next video, I try to solve it, and if possible, I write in the comment box only to solve your doubts. Thank you students, and have a great day.